Reject your sense of injury, and the injury itself disappears. Have you ever faced a door slammed shut, only to later realize it was the best outcome possible? Today we dive into the art of transforming rejection. Inspired by the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, we explore a mindset where every no doesn't discourage you, but fuels your growth. Imagine a world where rejection doesn't hold you back, but propels you forward. Rejection. A word tied to pain, yet it can be a stepping stone to greatness. It's not about outsmarting fate, but understanding that the universe's no is often a hidden yes to something greater. Have you ever felt unnoticed, disregarded, or underappreciated? It's time to rewrite the narrative. In this journey, we'll explore 13 profound lessons to help you harness the power of rejection and turn it into fuel for growth. These are not just theories, they're actionable strategies rooted in real-life experiences. Before we dive into the lessons, let's make sure this wisdom reaches as many souls as possible. Take a moment to hit the like button and ring the notification bell. Your engagement tells YouTube that these insights matter. Now, let's embark on this transformative journey together, ready to turn rejections into our greatest victories. Number 1. Disregard indifference. When life gives you the cold shoulder, don't shrink, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't petty, it's a powerful affirmation of your self-worth. If someone deems you unworthy of their time, remember, it's their loss, not yours. By choosing not to engage, you declare, I deserve more. It's like holding up a mirror to their behavior, revealing their actions while staying unshaken. But how do you do this without falling into bitterness? Shift your focus to your own life, goals, and happiness. Immerse yourself in activities that uplift you. Reading, sports, learning new skills, or spending time with those who truly value you. Use the sting of rejection as fuel for growth, building a fortress of self-respect that deflects indifference. This isn't just about surviving rejection, it's about thriving despite it. It's a testament to emotional maturity and inner strength, proving that your worth isn't tied to anyone else's approval. Stay authentic. Let your actions speak louder than their silence. Marker 2. Don't react emotionally. Rejection stings, tempting you to act impulsively, but Stoicism offers a wiser path. Instead of frustration or sadness, embrace composure. Resist the urge to seek validation or show resentment. Stoicism teaches us to respond with thoughtfulness, not suppression. Master your emotions. When ignored, pause, step back, reflect. Often, it's not the rejection that hurts, it's our own insecurities. Focus on your actions and responses, not others' behavior. Stay polite and kind, even when you feel the urge to react. Let your responses be genuine, free from expectations. This isn't passivity, it's emotional mastery. Remember, your self-worth isn't tied to others' approval. It's defined by how you choose to respond to rejection. Mastering calmness in rejection isn't just about coping, it's about thriving. It's a journey towards self-confidence where external validation loses its power. By embracing this mindset, you radiate strength and resilience, qualities that naturally draw others in. 3. Remove them from your mind. When faced with rejection, practice detachment. Acknowledge its impact, but don't let it consume you. Don't see rejection as a roadblock. View it as a detour guiding you to new opportunities. Channel the experience into transformative energy, navigating challenges with skill and grace. Engage in activities that enrich your spirit and expand your horizons. See every new experience as a stepping stone to self-discovery. Surround yourself with a circle of positivity, people who uplift and inspire you. These interactions foster mutual growth, proving that rejection doesn't define your worth. Instead, it's an invitation to rediscover and reinvent yourself. With every new endeavor, you build a stronger, more resilient version of yourself, ready to face life's challenges with unwavering resolve. 4. Demonstrate your value. Don't let rejection weigh you down. See it as a chance to showcase your resilience when sidelined or overlooked. Redirect your energy into constructive action. Showcase your skills through meaningful projects and initiatives, undeterred by others' oversight. Remember, rejection isn't a measure of your worth. It's a redirection toward opportunities that align with your talents and passions. Embrace setbacks as setups for comebacks, crafting a success story built on perseverance and determination. With empathy and understanding, you'll emerge stronger and wiser, ready to rise with renewed vigor. Rejection isn't the end. It's a pivotal chapter in your journey toward growth and fulfillment. 5. Cut off contact. In rejection, silence becomes your most powerful tool. Resist the urge to reach out or reconcile. Instead, embrace silence as a strategic reset for your self-worth and mental peace. By maintaining emotional distance, you assert your value, showing that your well-being doesn't depend on external validation. Your silence isn't passive. It's an active declaration of self-respect and strength. While it may not change others, it transforms you, fortifying your resolve for future challenges. 6. Prove them wrong. Leverage rejection to reaffirm your potential, not just to disprove others' doubts. Turn no into fuel for growth, pushing past perceived limits. Hone your skills and capabilities, not for validation, but for personal fulfillment. Let your actions speak louder than words, quietly showcasing your competence and determination. Your achievements will tell the story for you. Your journey of self-improvement isn't about others' perceptions. It's a testament to your commitment to excellence. By redefining your self-image and understanding your true potential, you emerge from rejection stronger and more self-assured. 7. Go out and have fun. In the face of rejection, embracing joy is an act of resilience. Don't retreat into isolation. Seek out experiences that bring happiness and fulfillment. Challenge the idea that rejection should dim your spirit. Pursue activities that ignite your passion and foster meaningful connections. See rejection not as a closed door, but as an invitation to explore new horizons. Each experience enriches your life, building resilience and adaptability. Through laughter and shared moments, you'll rediscover your place in the world, knowing rejection is just a fleeting obstacle on the path to greater fulfillment. 8. Build your social status. Stoicism teaches us to turn rejection into an opportunity for growth and community engagement. Instead of seeking validation, focus on self-improvement and meaningful connections. See activities like fitness and community involvement as ways to enhance your well-being and contribute to the greater good. Cultivate relationships rooted in mutual respect and shared values, creating a tapestry of meaningful connections. Your journey isn't about climbing a social ladder. It's about ascending your own path to personal excellence. By aligning your actions with self-improvement, you inspire others, fostering a community built on resilience and empathy. 9. Act as if they don't exist. In the face of indifference, respond with quiet strength. Redirect your energy toward those who value your presence. Stay professional and civil in unavoidable interactions, but avoid investing in one-sided relationships. By prioritizing your well-being, You show that your time and attention are valuable. Walking away isn't weakness, it's self-respect and discernment. Spend your energy on relationships and endeavors that nurture your growth and fulfillment. 10. Give them the silent treatment. Choosing silence in the face of indifference is a mark of dignity and self-respect. Instead of seeking validation or retaliation, preserve your inner peace through introspection and emotional mastery. Use silence as a time for self-reflection, reaffirming your values and strengthening your character. Silence isn't weakness, it's inner strength and composure. By not responding, you assert your autonomy and refuse to engage in fruitless exchanges.